Hey everyone, Shanos here, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna go over the layout of the system. I'm just gonna lay it down for you and show you how this system works so you have an idea how it works, and then we're gonna move forward to the actual system and you're gonna see me doing the whole thing step by step on my screen. Now before I actually show you the PowerPoint, let me tell you something. These are two very important things that you need to know, okay? The first one is that if you want to get results with this system, you need to do everything with me step by step, okay? This is absolutely important, okay? If you want to get results, I don't want you to watch this whole thing and then go back and think, hey, how I'm supposed to do this part, what I'm supposed to do here and that, because that's not how you get results, okay? I want you to take action with every single video that you see. For example, starting next section, you watch that video, pause it after you're done, and go do everything I just did in that video, okay, before you go to the next one, because this is how you learn and this is how you become successful. Take action. Don't just watch things, don't just learn things, take action. This is how you get results with this. So I'm asking you to do everything I do with me step by step, okay? That's how you get results. And number two, the second thing I want from you is to know that I'm not just telling you what to do, okay? I'm actually starting a campaign with you in this course, so you exactly see how I set up this whole thing, okay? So I'm not just telling you, hey, you do this, do that. I'm actually showing you how you can do it, and you're actually going to see me starting a new campaign and making money, setting this whole thing up and making money. So this is not just me telling you what to do. You're going to see me doing it, and that's why I'm just so excited to teach you this, because this is powerful, okay? So let's get into it and let me show you my screen and this PowerPoint that I want to show you. So this is the layout of the system. Now this whole thing looks really simple because I didn't want to make a huge PowerPoint, okay? So what I'm doing here is just I'm showing it to you in the simplest way possible, because if you take a look at the video list that we have in this course, there are way more than just 8 videos, obviously. So this is just the simplest way to put this whole system. So the first thing we're gonna do is, obviously, we're gonna find a good product on ClickBank. Now there's a whole video for this, because this is really important, and if you choose a bad product, you can just obviously lose money and not become successful, because if you have a bad product, people are not gonna buy it. So next thing after that is to create a Facebook page for it, and after creating a Facebook page, you need to create the outside engagement funnel. Now again, this might be something that you haven't heard about it before. That's why I'm going to teach you exactly what this whole thing is when we actually get to that video, okay? Don't worry about it if you're not understanding what I'm actually saying in this whole video, okay? So don't worry about anything. I'm just showing you the process here. So we're going to create the outside engagement funnel, and then we're going to create the direct redirect funnel, and then after that we're going to go and improve the Facebook page, optimize it to make sure we're gonna get the results that we want with it, and then we're gonna start gathering exact data from Facebook. Now this is the beautiful part, because this is where we go to Facebook and ask them, hey, you need to tell us what audience is going to work for this product. And this is a beautiful part, and I'm so excited to get there and teach you exactly how this works. And the next one is, after we gather enough data from Facebook, we're gonna create the magic audience, okay? This is the cool part, because this is where you are going to have your Facebook ads, Facebook things, Facebook audience ready to fire up and make commissions. And then and the last part, we're gonna run special Facebook ads based on the audience that you just created. Now again, this whole thing is, let me just put it here, there you go, that looks better. All right, this whole thing is much simpler. I mean, again, this looks really simple, but there's so much details into this, and obviously you're gonna see me doing it on screen, okay? So let's get it started, let's get into it, and I'll see you in the next video.